Sir, good
Joseph
evening po.
Moravcian
Sir, can
of
I
GMA.
ask you about Benham Rice? This is separate from the PCA ruling on the West
Human
Philippines.
rights?
Yes, sir. Benham.
Benham.
Yeah, because recently, sir, yun pong foreign ministry nila said that the Philippines cannot claim Benham Rice as its own territory. Your reaction first to that kind
Who
of
said it?
statement? The Chinese foreign ministry po.
Or because they're claiming it.
Correct, sir.
So I can understand. So vis-a-vis, I can also answer, you cannot also claim that because I'm claiming it.
Mhm.
But let us not fight about ownership or sovereignty at this time.
Mhm.
Because things are going great for my country. But kung panahon na it becomes commercial to me, then as I have said, whether you like it or not, we'll have to talk about the arbitral ruling.
Pardon me, sir, pero
And
po,
sabi mo, when is it? When it becomes commercial nga.
sir, yun pong Benham, with due respect, sir, the UNCLOS has already awarded that Benham Rice is ours, sir. And the Chinese has a different version of the facts, sir.
No, they can always do and shake their hands.
Ah.
My orders to my military,
Opo.
you go there and tell them straight that this is ours, but I say it in friendship. I cannot deprive any Filipino from claiming. If I say, si Inday, gusto mong punta doon, yung si Mayor. Sabi ko, bakit ano gusto mong gawin doon? Naman kasi atin man kaya yan. At para sa atin yan. Pero huwag kang pumasok doon, magsigaw-sigaw ka. Gusto mo, magsalida ka doon.
Sir, assuming the Chinese becomes aggressive and they do what they did sa West Philippine Sea, put up structures, explore that, will you allow that, sir?
They will not do it at this time.
Okay.
Magugulo lang yan eh. Magugulo yan because America is always wants to pick a fight there. Pupunta na ng mga barko-barko doon. At ang Amerika naman, ang mahintay lang na tayo ang magulo. Bakit ako magugulo doon? Wala kasi akong, I cannot match the might of China. Kita mo sa TV kanina, how they have prepared for terrorism in a certain province. Wow. 10,000 fully armed. May mga military tanks. Ganon katindi ang kalaban ko. Of course, kalaban yung sundalo ko. Walang problema yan. Ang problema, I have to weigh. Is there a way of winning this war? If not, then what's my other options?
Sir, yun pong 24 billion in trade investments that you got from your first trip sa China. Sir, yun ba, it comes with strings and
No.
islands attached?
In fairness, yan yun ang tandaan ninyo. I've said it right after my visit. No strings yan sila. And most of about a third of it is almost grant. Yung iba, bayaran mo na payable in 30 years, renewable for another 30 years. That's a lifetime. Ibig sabihin parang bigay na yan.
Okay.
So I said, why should I pick a fight? I'd rather talk. Na kung gusto nila ng mag-show of force doon, di papuntahin ko yung Navy ko. Pero sabi ko, pagdating doon, huwag mo lang, banggaan mo lang sa likod. Tapos, boarding ka. Sabi mo, sorry, naglalambing lang po. Kasi, huwag na yung kalimutan yung amin. May amin kami dyan. Ganun lang.